Hello friends, welcome back to Code Crush Coding. In the last video, we learned how to insert records into a database using JDBC. So in this video, we will take it further and learn how to update a record using JDBC. So first thing, we have the same things that we need to do for each connection, right? So first we need to import the package. Then we need to establish a connection. So we have already created videos for that, right? We have established the connection. Then we need to create a statement, then execute a statement. Now, this was our code for inserting a record into a table. So currently in our table, there are two records with ID1 name John, ID2 name Om. Now what I need to do? I need to change the name here. So I need to update the name for ID1. I need to make use of update query here, right? So first thing what I need to do, I need to change the query here. So instead of insert query, I will have the query here for update. So what I need to do, I will comment out this part here and I will create a variable here. I will say a string update query. So this is my update query, and here I need to say update table name. So my table name is employee. Set name. So that is my column name. So I will need to set the name here. So let's say the name is Alice. Name is Alice. So instead of John, I want Alice. Set name Alice. Where ID is equal to 1. So where ID is 1, I need to set the name to Alice. So earlier name was John, so we should get now Alice. And now then we will create a connection with the help of URL, username, password. Then we will have the statement here with the help of connect instance from the connection, connect.create statement. And then from this statement, we will execute update. And what we need to say here? We need to say here update query because we have changed the query now. So we can say here update query, and finally it will also return us the number of rows that are affected. So I will store that into a variable called int rows inserted. Let's have just rows, and here I will print the rows, and instead of inserted I will say updated. Okay, and finally we are closing the statement and connection. Now let's run this code. Okay, so we are getting the message here 1 updated. Let's check in the database whether it's actually updated. Now if I by the query, so see, instead of John I'm getting the name as Alice. So in that way we can update any record in the database with the help of Java code. So in the next video we will see how to delete a record.